Hello, in this video, we will introduce retrieving data from the web. So imagine you have a file on the web server. You want to read the data from the web server, analyze the data. So to do this, you're going to use this URL open function. It is in the URL lib.request module. So open this. Like this, here is the URL. So you open the URL, and this is now the input. And you're going to read the input. And so we're going to use decode here. So the reason we are using the decode is to convert the raw string into a string. So when you read it, it's a raw data in bytes. So it needs to be decoded. So using the decode method, you'll get the string. So let's look at this example. Suppose we're going to read the data from this file here on the web server. So here we're going to just open a URL. So this is open this URL. So we're going to prompt user to enter URL. And so we're going to read all the data now, decode it. So that's in S, and count letters. So there's count letters, we'll count it. So we'll return the counts. So that is return the counts. The counts is a list of 26 elements and display the result. That is all for this section on retrieving data from the website. See you on the next video.